Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing to help you decide between two titans, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the QIDI Q1 Pro. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Sonic Mini 8KS comes in at a wallet-friendly $375. Meanwhile, the QIDI Q1 Pro is priced at $699. That's almost double, folks. You could almost buy a second Sonic Mini 8KS for that price and have a 3D printing party. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The print quality. The Sonic Mini 8KS boasts the highest resolution on the market with a mind-blowing 22 micrometers. Reviewers love its ability to handle models requiring small details and impressive accuracy. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro focuses more on speed and precision with its dual Z-axis motors and CoreXY system, making it a favorite among those who need quick, high-quality prints. For all the newbies out there, the Sonic Mini 8KS is your best friend. It's marketed as the best entry-level printer for beginners and is super easy to operate. Reviewers agree that it's easy to set up, but it does require a well-ventilated room due to resin fumes. The QIDI Q1 Pro, though, promises print right out of the box in just 10 minutes. It's praised for its straightforward setup and user-friendly features, making it a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned users. When it comes to compatibility, the Sonic Mini 8KS is like that friend who gets along with everyone. It's compatible with most slicers, including Lychee, Chitubox, and Tango. Reviewers recommend minor modifications for the best experience. The QIDI Q1 Pro, however, supports a plethora of materials, from PLA to carbon fiber, and even has a fancy 350 degrees Celsius bimetal nozzle. It's ready to take on diverse 3D printing projects with ease. All right, let's talk about those flashy features. The QIDI Q1 Pro is like the Batman of 3D printers. It has an active heating chamber, full auto calibration, filament smart detection, and even a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring. Reviewers are thrilled with these advanced features, especially the automatic bed leveling. The Sonic Mini 8KS, on the other hand, is more like Spider-Man, simple, effective, and gets the job done with smooth surfaces and fewer layer lines. It's praised for its high-quality prints, but lacks some of the advanced features found in the QIDI Q1 Pro. Overall, reviewers find the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS to be an excellent value for money with impressive detail and ease of use, though it requires good ventilation and some setup adjustments. The QIDI Q1 Pro is praised for its advanced features, quick setup, and flexibility in handling various materials, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for high resolution and an easy start, the Sonic Mini 8KS is your guy. But if you want all the bells and whistles and are willing to shell out the big bucks, the QIDI Q1 Pro is your go-to. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and may your prints be ever in your favor. Product links are in the description.